You are probably using the import command like this. But what you should be using instead is this. Why? The module, it imports the module itself. So every function associated with the module has to have the module name and a dot before the function name itself. And that has to be repeated every time. As you can see here, the code runs and produces this result. However, if you change this from turtle import all, you don't need to put the turtle dot after every command associated with turtle. You could simply remove all of it, and it still runs the same, saving valuable time and memory. However, if you still try to run while having this module, it doesn't work because this command imports all the functions associated with the module, but not the module itself. And if you tried it the other way, it also doesn't work because the module is imported and not its individual functions. This is basically why you should be using from turtle import all instead of import module. Now check out 5 big mistakes you're probably making with your code now.